please make sure you have your paper for A1 and your pencil out in front of you ready to go. You also want to have your headphones in, your volume turned up so you can follow along with me. We are going to talk about equations today. So we have already spent quite a bit of time working with expressions. We've had both numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. So you can see on the one side of our table here some examples of expressions, and on the other side over here we've got examples of equations. And you will notice that equations are different from an expression because they have the equal sign. Okay, we actually sent our equal sign on vacation to the beach for a while, if you remember, when we first started talking about expressions, because we were not using him. We would simplify those expressions using the V pattern, and the equal sign was not even a part of it. So now we are welcoming that equal sign back, and we will be using him often as we write equations. Now, equation or equal, okay, means that whatever is on one side of the equal sign has to have exactly the same value as whatever is on the other side. So in our first example here, 4 plus 3 has a value of 7. Sometimes people tend to think that the equal sign is how you get your answer, okay? And the answer always comes after the equal sign, but that isn't always the case, okay? You can see in the second equation that 8 is equal to m times 2. So sometimes what you might consider that answer comes first and not after the equal sign. And sometimes you have one expression, like 3 plus 3, equal to another expression, 5 plus 1. Each of those have a value of 6, therefore they are the same, they are equal. So the purpose of our equal sign is to show that whatever is on one side has the exact same value as what is on the other. All right, so like we did with our expressions, we're going to start by taking a statement and translating it into an equation. So we're looking for those key words, okay? Number 1, the sum of 4 and a number is 16. So I see sum, which tells me to add. It has a number, so that can be our variable, and is that special word that typically, most of the time, tells us to use the equal sign, okay? The sum of 4 and a number, so I'm going to show that by saying 4 plus x is 16, okay? Going from a sentence to an equation. Number 2, 9 is, there's that word again, 6 less than 15, less than. So 9 is 6 less than 15. So I'm going to put 15 minus 6 because I am taking 6 away from 15. Okay, and number 3, the product of m and 8 is 40. Product we know is to multiply, so I'm going to write 8m is 40. Okay, now you get a try. Go ahead and turn your paper over and you're going to complete A2.